Prince here with Science of Cardio, talking to you about heat therapy. Heat therapy affects your hot shock proteins. And I think that the most effective way to implement this technique is with a sauna. So heat therapy, what it does is it really stimulates or influences DNA repair. Okay, this is big in the science community right now, and there's a lot of research being done on hot and cold therapies. So DNA repair, your DNA is fixing and repairing itself after the sauna use or hot therapy. What happens is your core temperature increases and your body starts to do things to keep it cool and keep itself alive and safe. So it's trying to get back to homeostasis or lower your core temperature. So you go through a ton of calories kind of after this heat challenge. Okay, so the science right now, there is a gene that is called FOXO3. Okay, and this is a pathway that gets turned on, or a switch that gets turned on with hot therapy or sauna use. And this gene is linked to living kind of longer, 100 plus years. So that is really cool science and information. They found that people that are close to 100 or over 100 years old have a really predominant FOXO3 gene in their body. So heat therapy influences that in a positive way. Also, there's some cool studies out there that are talking about decreasing in cardiovascular disease because of heat therapy. So what happens when you go into heat, or you put heat near or around your body, your arteries vasodilate, so they open up, and that decreases your blood pressure and takes some stress off of your heart. So it doesn't have to pump as hard because everything's opened up. So if it's constricted, it can't get as much blood flow, oxygen, nutrients, chemicals, cells for repair. So the heat opens up those arteries. Then the other kind of big sciencey influence is you have this huge increase in epinephrine and norepinephrine. So those are hormones or things that are similar to adrenaline. So when you get into a crazy situation, your adrenaline goes crazy. That is epinephrine, norepinephrine. Okay, what that does is it stimulates your thyroid, and you have this huge increase in growth hormone. So this is one of the hormones that affects body composition. So this will significantly help with building muscle tissue. Also, this is a kind of anti-aging hormone, so this will help you and have influence on living longer and healthier. So hopefully this is good information. If you have more questions, contact me, scienceofcardio.com.